Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of razors that leave you with nicks, cuts, or irritation, you've probably been on the hunt for something that promises both comfort and smoothness. That's exactly what I'm testing out today, the Flamingo Razor for women. This razor claims to deliver a close, comfortable shave without the usual discomfort. But does it live up to those claims? Let's get into it. First up, what exactly is the Flamingo Razor? It's a razor kit designed with a weighted handle and a flexible hinge, promising an ergonomic, no-slip grip and a close shave thanks to its 5 ultra-thin stainless steel blades. The kit includes the razor handle and 1 refillable blade. The idea is that the design helps reduce irritation and makes it easier to reach those tricky spots on your legs or underarms. Now, when it comes to real-world testing, I've had a chance to put this razor through its paces. Using it feels smooth, literally and figuratively. The razor glides over skin effortlessly, and I immediately noticed how comfortable it felt in my hand. The weighted handle provides control, and the ergonomic grip made sure I didn't lose hold of it, even with a little lather going on. The flexible hinge really is a game changer, following the curves of my body seamlessly. It's not often you find a razor that adjusts so well, especially in the underarm and knee areas where I usually struggle. I also appreciated the added aloe-shea butter strip near the blades. It's designed to protect skin from irritation, and it did seem to help. While some razors can leave you feeling dry, I felt hydrated after shaving, and there was no stinging or redness. The lubrication strip made a noticeable difference, giving the shave a smooth glide and helping the blades last longer before needing a replacement. But, as with all products, there are a few things worth noting. The razor is a bit heavier than some I've used before, which might not be ideal if you prefer something ultra-light. And while the flexible hinge is fantastic for most areas, it might not provide as much precision when tackling the very fine spots, like around the ankles. Pros: 5 ultra-thin stainless steel blades deliver a smooth, close shave. The ergonomic handle with a no-slip grip gives great control, reducing accidents. The flexible hinge really helps with hard-to-reach spots and follows curves well. The lubrication strip with aloe-shea butter helps protect against irritation and keeps skin feeling smooth. Cons: the razor is heavier than others, so it may not be as comfortable for those who like lighter tools. The flexibility of the hinge is great for most areas, but may reduce precision in tighter spots like the ankles. Is it worth the price? Well, considering the quality of the shave and the comfort it provides, I'd say it is. You're paying for a razor that's designed to last and give you a comfortable experience, and the 5 blades do a great job of ensuring a smooth shave with less irritation. If you're someone who frequently battles razor burn or irritation, this might be worth the investment. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you can definitely find other razors with fewer blades that offer a similar experience. But for the price, Flamingo provides excellent value in terms of quality, comfort, and performance. To sum it up, the Flamingo Razor for women does what it sets out to do: provide a really close and comfortable shave. It's great for anyone who prioritizes skin comfort and ease of use. If you're tired of razors that leave you with bumps and irritation, this could be the solution you're looking for. If this review has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Have you tried the Flamingo Razor? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.